In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shift and animate colors with hue saturation in After Effects. First, open your composition and make sure the layer you want to recolor is selected. Click directly on the layer in the timeline so it's highlighted. This step is important because effects apply only to the active layer. If nothing is selected, the effect won't land where you expect, and you might not see any change. With your layer selected, head to the top menu and choose Effect, then Color Correction, and then Hue Saturation. You'll see the hue saturation effect appear in the effect controls panel. This effect gives you quick, non-destructive control over the colors in your layer, which is perfect for creative looks or matching brand palettes. Now, locate the master hue slider in the effect controls. Dragging this slider left or right rotates all the colors around the color wheel. As you move it, watch the composition panel to see the color shift in real time. If your goal is only to change hue, leave the other settings like master saturation and master lightness at their defaults so you don't unintentionally alter the overall intensity or brightness. This hue rotation is a global shift, meaning every color in the layer adjusts relative to its original tone, which helps maintain natural contrast and shading. To animate the color shift, move the playhead to the frame where you want the change to begin. Click the stopwatch next to master hue to set your first keyframe. Then, move the playhead forward in time to the point where you want the transition to end and adjust the master hue slider again. After Effects automatically creates a second keyframe and the colors will smoothly transition between those two values. For a complete rainbow cycle, set the final value to 360 or negative 360. The effect will interpolate through the entire spectrum, creating a seamless loop across the timeline you chose. If you want the transition to feel even smoother, select your hue keyframes and apply Easy Ease. This softens the acceleration and deceleration, making the shift feel more natural. Preview your animation by pressing play and adjust the timing or the hue values as needed until the pacing and color range feel right for your project. That's it. By selecting your object layer, applying hue saturation, adjusting the master hue, and animating with keyframes, you can create clean, dynamic color